Folks, there is one product in the dark recesses of my basement. If there is any product in the world that deserves a review, it's this guy. See, we got this 2 years ago. It's a Hisense Dehumidifier. And I tell you what, we basically plugged a hose to it. The hose is going out the back door, and this thing has done nothing but run for 2 years, and it's been completely ignored. Haven't bothered to change the filter, haven't done anything to it, and it's still working, in spite of the fact that it hasn't been maintained. It's what do you say, been punished severely for good behavior. Here's the model number. Still got it in the book. Looks like DH35K1SJE5. And this is the best dehumidifier I've ever seen in my life. I could actually tell the difference. It was awful damp down here when we moved here. And, well, now it's not. So, get yourself a Hisense dehumidifier, put it in your basement and ignore it for a couple of years. Actually, I probably should check the filter on this thing. But yeah, that there is a good product, and I would personally recommend it. Like I said, it's been punished severely for good behavior, so you can't go wrong. Thanks for watching. And hey, you know, now that I know it works so good, if Hisense wants to send me anything else, I'd be more than happy to take it.